Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Look at this amazing electric kettle I have. It is by VNPONV and it has been so helpful to have, especially in the mornings. My daughter loves oatmeal, so I cook her a bowl of quick oats every morning and it is so easy. I grab a handful of instant oats, I turn my kettle on, and within 2 minutes I have a really healthy, easy breakfast for her. My favorite thing about this kettle is you can set the temperature. So in my previous kettles, I would either forget and it would go straight to boil, or I would be hesitant and then the water wouldn't be hot enough to cook her oatmeal or for my tea. But this one, I know exactly how warm I can get the water so her oatmeal is perfect. It won't burn her mouth. She doesn't have to wait, but it also is still a nice warm bowl of oatmeal. You turn the knob to whatever temperature you want and you hit start or stop to stop it. It is super user friendly. It even has a warmer, so you can keep this water at the same temperature for up to 2 hours. It also is a smart kettle, so there's an app on my phone that I can control this thing. So I can tell it that I want it to stay warm. I can set the temperature, so when I'm laying in bed, I can get hot water all ready for my morning. And on top of all of that, it is beautiful. I have been loving using this kettle for tea, my daughter's oatmeal. My son has been making hot chocolate with it. If your family uses hot water on a regular basis, this thing is so nice to have to get the water exactly the temperature that is perfect for your family. But that's just my point of view.